Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Slack website at slack.com. Once loaded, look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to be redirected to the Sign Up page. You will see options to create a workspace. If you have an account, click on the Sign In link in the top right corner. Enter your email address associated with your Slack account. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Slack. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. This will take you back to the Slack website. Enter your password to log into your account. If you are new to Slack and creating a workspace, follow the prompts to set up your first channel. Fill in the required fields, such as your workspace name and your team name. Select the purpose of your workspace that best describes how you plan to use Slack. Click Create Workspace to finalize the setup process. Once your workspace is created, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses. Click Invite to send them an invitation. After inviting members, you can browse through the Slack features. Customize your workspace settings as per your organization's needs. Explore channel creation for different projects or teams within your workspace. Encourage team members to download the Slack app for easy access. Familiarize yourself with Slack's interface and features to maximize productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.